Hi everyone, welcome to this video on the art of Feng Shui and interior design. Feng Shui is an ancient Chinese practice that focuses on the arrangement of objects and spaces to create balance and harmonious energy. In this video, I'll be sharing some tips on how to incorporate the principles of Feng Shui into your interior design. Tip number 1. Start with a clean space. Feng Shui emphasizes the importance of a clean and organized space, so start by decluttering and removing any items that are no longer needed. Tip number 2. Focus on the front door. The front door is considered the mouth of Qi in Feng Shui, so it's important to make sure it is clear, clean, and well lit. Consider adding a plant or a welcome mat to create a warm and inviting entrance. Tip number 3. Use color carefully. In Feng Shui, color is believed to have a significant impact on energy. Choose colors that are calming and energizing, such as blue, green, and yellow, and avoid using harsh or aggressive colors, such as red or black. Tip number 4. Create a balanced layout. In Feng Shui, it's important to create a balanced layout that promotes the flow of energy. Consider using symmetrical arrangements, such as placing furniture on either side of a room, and avoid blocking pathways. Tip number 5. Incorporate natural elements. Incorporating natural elements, such as plants, stones, and wood, can help bring the outdoors into your home and create a sense of balance and harmony. I hope these tips have helped you in incorporating the principles of Feng Shui into your interior design. By following the principles of Feng Shui, you can create a space that is peaceful, harmonious, and full of positive energy. Thank you for watching.